Okay, so we're going to add 2 cups of flour to our bowl. I'm using obviously gluten-free flour because we're making gluten-free bread. I like to use the 1-to-1 baking flour from Bob's Red Mill. One. Two. Okay, so we have 2 cups of flour here. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of baking soda. And let's just mix everything together. Ooh, I'm making a mess. Okay, let me combine now my wet ingredients. So I'm just going to shift this to the side. And what we're going to need is 1 egg. Okay. Now to this, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. So here I have a 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. And I'm going to add 1/2 cup of milk. So 1/4 and 1/4, make 1/2. Okay. I'm also going to add to this 1 tablespoon of either lemon juice or apple cider vinegar because we want to make a buttermilk. So we're going to leave this to stand for about 5 minutes. Just going to stir it. Okay. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of honey to my egg. So you could either use 1 tablespoon of sugar, you could use 1 tablespoon of honey, or you can use 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. It's your choice. Today I'm going to choose to use honey. All right, so we have our wet ingredients and we have our dry ingredients. Okay, so let's now add our wet ingredients to our dry ingredients. We're going to add our yogurt and milk and acid. All right, so I'm just going to use my hands now to form this. Here I have my baking sheet with some parchment paper. So I'm just going to form the dough into like a round shape. Okay, that should be good. All right, I'm just going to take my knife and just make like an X at the top here. All right, so now I'm going to put this into the oven for about 30 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit.